you're used to braiding your hair and you're looking for something new, it's called the twist.
Cool. I love you, Ted.
I think that was the one twist.
So what you want to do, Rachel, is you want to take about from the front hairline to about a 1/4 inch to the back of the head. You want to start twisting. My mom is 90, and this is one of the things that she thinks is really a great thing. She always talks about, I'm 90 years old and I still like to twist. So yeah, just so as I twist this hair all the way around, you can see how I'm working on Gabrielle's hair.
So cool.
All the way around. Isn't that gorgeous? It's so easy to do and effortless. I think that any woman in America, regardless of the length of hair, if you have hair that's mid-length or longer, this is great for you. If you have short hair, it's going to be really a lot harder to do. And you want to twist it all the way through. And as you twist it, then you want to use hairpins. I got these hairpins when we could travel in Paris. The reason why I love these hairpins is because they have little ridges on them.
Yeah, I love those too. And they're open wide. They're fabulous. Yeah.
They're so good. So as I pin Gabrielle's hair back into this really fabulous twist in the back from my twist that I did a second ago. You can see how beautiful that is, right?
So
you can leave a little bit out if you want to. I think that it should look effortless. It shouldn't look too contrived, which I think is really important for modern hair. And then you're set to go. But what I'm going to tell you is if you want to go from day to evening, this is going to be a daytime look. What you can do is add flowers. What I did was I went to my favorite craft store, bought flowers, glued hairpins to the back of them, and then all you do is just put
Look at you!
these really beautiful flowers. How nice is that?
Fantastic. So beautiful.
Isn't that nice? Isn't that beautiful?
And so simple, Ted. So simple.
So simple. I think that hair should be simple. I think it should be something that a woman should be able to do at home easily and effortlessly. And that's how hair should be.
Yay!
I want to go to that salon.
I know. Even John wants to go to the salon. Do you take the fellas too?
Of course we do.
All right.
I cannot wait for you to come and experience starring.
I cannot wait to get to one of those clouds.
Yes.
I can't wait. So you guys, if you are headed out to LA, Ted, where are you again in LA?
La Brea, I think.
We're on La Brea between 2nd and 3rd. Easy.
La Brea between 2nd and 3rd, and it's starring.
Yes. Starring. Yes. I know. And thank you so much. I love you. Love you so much.